What's up, your fitters? You are what you repeatedly do. Okay, kakatapos lang ng Sunday morning run namin. Okay, so usually ginagawa namin ito every Sundays, kaya nga Sunday morning run. We were running and ang lagi ko sinasabi sa mga anak ko is may pace tayong ginagawa. Okay, it's not about moving first faster than everybody else. Kasi yun ang nangyayari in today's world. Lahat tayo, we want the quick fix, instant results. Usually, tinatanong sa akin ng mga clients ko, gaano katagal para makita ang results? Mukhang may mali dun sa question na yun, guys. Hindi dapat natin tanongin kung gaano katagal. Dapat ma-enjoy natin yung process. Kasi alam nyo, pag nakuha nyo yung six-pack, pag nakuha nyo yung magandang katawan, nag-champion kayo sa sport nyo, naging best kayo, yung moment na yon na nag-champion kayo, nakita nyo yung abs nyo or nag-improve yung body composition nyo, hindi yun ang maaalala nyo. Ang maaalala nyo is yung hard work, consistency, yung patience, delayed gratification while doing yung goal o yung gusto nyo ma-achieve. Sabi ko nga, meron akong kasibihan lagi na sinasabi, anyone can start, but only a thoroughbred will finish. So guys, huwag tayong magmadali. Let's enjoy the process. Nandun sa process yung happiness na makukuha nyo, yung hard work, yung dedication. Nasa process siya lahat, guys. So, again, pag meron tayong goal, let's be patient about it. Let's be consistent. Kasi yun ang wala na ngayon, yung patience and consistency. Because in today's world where everything is like, I want food, there's Grab. I want a car, there's Grab. I want this information, there's Google. Or now, may ChatGPT that gives you all the answers. So, nawawala yung value of hard work. Nawawala yung value ng yung consistent ka na, sige, ang hirap nito, pero I will continue. Because I know in the end, worth it yung price na gusto kong makuha. So guys, again, sisirado ko tong video na to, sa saying na to, and sana makatulong tong saying na to at saka tong video na to sa inyo. So, anyone can start, guys, but only a thoroughbred will finish. Are you a thoroughbred?